Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I'm the Mummy Finger, and today we are going back in time with my grandma's fish fry recipe. Check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Here we go. Take 500 gram fish in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Add half tablespoon oil and mix everything well. The oil will make all the masala to stick to the fish. In a frying pan, add oil and heat it in medium heat. Add the masala coated fish pieces in the pan. Let them fry for 3 to 4 minutes on both the sides. Your fish fry is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.